I think participating in extracurricular activities and clubs is really important for students' well-roundedness. It can give them a sense of purpose. It can foster relationships with their peers and their advisors, which can sometimes be really, really important. It improves the climate and culture of the school. Not only that, it's great for any post-secondary plan, whether it's a four-year college, a trade school, applying for scholarships, even in a job. Employers want to see a student who's desirable, and if you are committed to your club, you're committed to your activity, you're in a leadership role, that just helps improve you as a candidate.
I think it's really important that we have a huge variety of different clubs. I know our world language clubs, even our music and art clubs, they offer students time to dive deeper into whatever subject it is that they are kind of interested in. I also love seeing the friendships that get made inside of clubs. It's a low-risk, safe place that they can kind of come together and form these bonds and these friendships, which is really cool.
Well, participation in athletics gives students a great opportunity to learn and invest in those life skills that are imperative for maturation and development. I've said it for the longest time, the athletic arena provides the greatest classroom for teaching discipline, hard work, how to work as a team, accountability, all those values and characteristics that we need when we leave high school.
I take part in football, basketball, and I'm a part of the assistant student body here at Kelso.
Being in sports helps you in school because you have to maintain a certain GPA to play, and it motivates me because I don't want to not be doing good at school to let my teammates down by not being able to play.
I'm in volleyball, I play track, and then I'm a part of the senior class officers, DECA, HOSA, Varsity K, and Pep Club. Participating in sports and extracurricular activities allows me to get rid of my stress that I have. It's almost a break from all the craziness of life.
And it just allows you to get a lot of good friendships that will make memories that you'll remember for a long time.
I did sports because I was for the fun and making some new friends, to have a good team, and to hear the cheers of the crowds.
It's not just the high school, the whole community is so involved in athletics and so passionate in the rich tradition that it really does bring everybody in to celebrate regardless of what we're playing.
My wife Nicole and I have 3 children in the Kelso School District. All 3 are active in both basketball and softball. Participating in sports throughout the school career is critical to the development of kids because it's important for them to understand adversity, work ethic, and determination to achieve their goals, and to socially be able to interact with future supervisors and coworkers in their professional careers. Without question, the impact of sports helps develop a sense of community and pride, and you see that wherever we travel and go to away events that Kelso travels strong, whether it's slow pitch, softball, track, golf, whatever it is, the parents are there to support Kelso students, and it makes a difference.
I play baseball and football and basketball in high school. Who I am is because I was so involved in athletics. I mean, it taught me so many valuable lessons on how to persevere, how to work through and problem solve certain situations that I don't know that I'd be here if I didn't have those experiences and have those opportunities to compete with myself and to compete with my teammates on a daily basis.
Currently at Kelso High School, we have 28 different clubs. They range from world language clubs, music and theater clubs. We have service clubs, Varsity K, Pep Club. We have a catering club, art club. There's a variety, and we're always looking for things that students want to do. So we are not limited to the clubs that we currently have. If students have great ideas or a proposal for a club, it's something we definitely take under advisement. I think right now we have a group of students who's working on creating a disc golf club.
Once a Highlander, always a Highlander.
We are Kelso! Kelso strong.
We are Kelso.
We are Kelso.
Kelso strong!
We are Kelso.
Kelso strong. That feels so silly.